So I got our new DCE710 pipe deburring tool. This tool will deburr any pipe, whether that's copper, plastic, black iron, aluminum, stainless steel, you name it, both the outer diameter and inner diameter of those pipes, ranging from a 3/8 inch of a pipe all the way up to 2 inches. So anything in that range, it'll hit. It's got 3 speeds, fast, medium, slow, if you will. The slowest speed is roughly about 50 RPMs. We crank it up to the fastest speed, it's about 150 RPMs. So essentially, when you have a bigger pipe, you want to run it a little slower, give yourself a little more control, it's fine to do. This runs off our 20-volt platform, just like everything else in our tool portfolio. And it has replaceable cutting blade in case the blade does dull, with 2 setting screws, just one on top of the cone and one on the bottom. Let's give it a shot. Insert the pipe, let it ream for a couple seconds, bring it around, rotate the tool in your hand, do the inner,